girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the book. 700 3i5s, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, drink and get the loot. Pull up with that drink, I'm play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a fruit. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a literary. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug, he middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Silver Robinson. Shot to the chest, how you gas for spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy I can steal the stash sheet. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money ran, cause the army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them I clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, they got M's in the bank like yes and no. Cardiac tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. Same place I can make them, come finish you. Though you be in charge, yeah, you look like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the people. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like coke on the engine. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm in quick on the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, they make them go crazy. Man, bitch on the bed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell him my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, leave. Got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. Man, living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell him my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, leave. Got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. Man, living like this, they supposed to have.
This is a song for the good girl. We'll be do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. All I'm really asking for you. Your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. Long as you know who you belong to.
Good girl, be do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Roll for the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. All I'm really asking for is you. Your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. Long as you know who you belong to.
Be do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Roll for the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
One of them ones. Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded.
A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent, and then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in, and did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for IShow hair, and today I'm reviewing this Skunk Stripe unit. It is a true 613 blonde strip here in the middle, and then the rest of the hair is actually jet black. Now, when I first got this unit, I thought it was just a regular, dark brown unit like most units, but it's actually jet black. And the reason how I figured that out is when I went to go customize the unit and I was bleaching the knots, I noticed that the knots were actually pretty difficult for me to lift. And typically when that happens, it's because the hair is already dyed and they colored this hair a jet black color. So when you bleach the knots in this unit, they will lift, but even though I had a difficult time lifting the color on the knots, and when I was bleaching the knots, it just was a little bit harder for me to do it. I still actually think it looks very good and very natural. I am gonna come up close so you guys can actually see, what the knots are looking like now. You wouldn't know that I had that issue unless I told you, because the knots look just like any other unit, and I'm so happy about that because that was a concern of mine. I was wondering, like, are people gonna be able to see the knots in my unit? But that was not an issue whatsoever. So that is something that I did want to let you guys know. Guys, this is an up close look. Like I said, even though I did have some issues with lifting it, you guys can't tell, like, it still looks really good. The knots are definitely giving. I did pluck this hairline, so if you guys are wondering if I plucked it, I definitely did, and it looks really good. I like how it turned out. But yeah, you guys, this unit is a 24-inch unit. I love how silky straight it is, and today I just styled my hair in a cute little half up, half down. I was like, since it does have the strip in the front, I did want to do a half up, half down. I think it looks best like this, but if you want to, you can definitely wear it in the middle part like you guys saw I had it before, and just have like 2 strips here in the front, and maybe even curl it. Curling it would look very good as well, but this is what I came up with today. But it's actually really good quality, and I'm really impressed with how well this unit flat ironed. Like, it's like so silky straight. And then, like I said, this is a 24-inch unit, so I am going to stand up and show you guys where it hits on me. As far as the density, I would say this is possibly like 180% density, and I actually do like it. I would definitely go up in the density, but just be, keep in mind, whenever you go up in the density, that means you're going to have to do more when it comes to customizing the hairline. You're going to have to pluck a whole lot more, but I am going to stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me, and for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting me from the side. This is where it hits me in the back. And as far as the fit to this unit, I love how snug this unit fits. It doesn't have the elastic band inside, but it does have the adjustable straps in the back, and it fits so perfectly. It's not loose on me. There's not a bunch of extra fabric in the back. It just fits perfectly. This unit also comes with combs if that's something that you're into, but I typically cut the combs out of all of my units. I don't really keep them. The one that I might keep is like the one in the very back, but other than that, I cut most of my combs out. So if you like this unit and you're interested in giving it a try yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, IShow Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.